Today we'll be making Japanese cotton cheesecake. In a pot, add the milk, the butter, and the cream cheese. Heat it over medium heat, stirring until the cream cheese has completely melted and the mixture is at room temperature. Pour into a bowl, add the egg yolks, and mix. Gradually, add the sifted flour. When it is all well incorporated, set aside. In a bowl, add the egg whites. Using a hand or a stand mixer, begin to beat the egg whites. When the egg whites have a foamy texture, add the sugar, a teaspoon at a time. Continue beating until you get a meringue with semi-firm peaks. Now comes the delicate part. Add a third of the egg whites to the mixture. Give it a few taps to loosen it, and mix it with circular movements. Add a second third of the egg whites and continue stirring in the same way to avoid deflating the dough. Repeat a third time. Add the batter to an 80 cm baking pan. If yours is a 2-piece one, wrap it well with some foil. And it's time to bake it au bain-marie. So put it in a roasting pan, add a couple centimeters of hot water, and bake it at 100 degrees Celsius for 65 minutes. During this time, the cake will rise slowly. Raise the temperature and bake it at 160 degrees to brown it until it's golden. About 15 minutes. Once ready, remove it from the oven, taking care not to burn yourself. If you like this recipe, don't miss to.